today for the Bitcoin price. Yes, guys, this is the moment we've been potentially waiting for a very long time. And I not only want to go into Bitcoin, tell you exactly what I believe is going to happen right now in the immediate short term. I want to talk about my 30-40 million US dollar trades, why I scaled up my Bitcoin trade, the trade which is open for quite some time already. I want to show you everything, go into the trades, show you my price targets, and show you exactly what I am expecting right now in regards to Bitcoin, in regards to altcoins, in regards to what's going on with Elon Musk and Donald Trump, and much, much more. Let's go straight into it, dear ladies and gentlemen. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And wait until the very end, because I have a lineup of setups, predictions, and charts which will blow your mind. I waited until I have enough to talk about. And today, the beginning of this week, is the moment to start talking about it. And you probably remember how I yesterday posted over on Twitter, Bitcoin Weekly Inverse Empire close impending. And well, what happened? We did close this week as an inverse empire, and that is bullish. I said bullish week is confirmed. Now the question is, what can we expect from here before I go into my trades and everything? Well, since I posted this, we went already up $2,500 US higher, and the question is, what is the price target? Well, we can see the 15-year resistance is still coming in here somewhere at 115 to 120,000 US dollars. Pretty much exactly. Also, what we can see is when we here pull up the Fibonacci extension levels, you can see we have 118,000 at the first Fibonacci extension level coming in. So, yes, let's be bullish. We can pop some champagne bottles and, expect potentially higher prices to come here. But it doesn't mean that we have to get irrational, right? It doesn't mean that. But what I want to show you is at least we can see here some confluence between the correlation of the performance of Bitcoin and other precious metals like gold and silver. I do not want Bitcoin to perform positively here with stocks or even with the US dollar index, which of course it inversely correlates with it. But I don't want to see any of these correlations. What I want to see a correlation is with things which are here to stay. And that is things like gold and things like silver, of course. And Bitcoin is superior to that. I will talk about my price targets a little bit later. You can see that on the monthly candles, Bitcoin is about, this month, it takes another 22 days or so, 21 days, about to confirm if we are breaking above 105,000 on the monthly candle, a break on the monthly above the previous resistance. On the weekly, we see something similar happening. And every time we saw a weekly close above the previous horizontal resistance, we saw a massive pump towards the upside, right? So does this mean we have to get crazy here right now? No, not necessarily. But what this means is we have here a potential upwards movement, potentially breaking the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. And yes, this is why I was personally scaling up my trade here. I was posting that over on Twitter as well. You can see my Bitcoin trade now, 70 Bitcoin. Not 40 anymore, $1.2 million in a profit. The big Bitcoin trade, 15.4 million US dollars in a profit, 10.4 million US dollars in realized profits. The Ethereum trade, one of them, still open, 720,000 US dollars. And yes, overall, for the immediate short term, I am bullish on Bitcoin, on crypto. But I want to tell you, the vast majority of this bull market is over. Money printing might not be over yet, price-wise, gain-wise, percentage gain-wise, right? But time-wise, we are going up since November 2022. Do not forget about that. This bull market is going to end rather sooner than later. It doesn't mean that we cannot print more money on Bitcoin and crypto. Let me know what you think about that, and I will leave you my top 3 exchanges where I am trading on myself down below in the pinned comment. BitUnix, you can trade from wherever you want to. Go to 20% bonus on Levex. I will soon start posting, I think this or next week, posting my trades again. If you sign up with my link and you follow me on Levex, you can do that as well. And on Bybit, you get, I think, a 30,000 US dollar free bonus. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see you very soon at the next one. I'm good as always, guys. As always, bye. Bye.